Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to use Digit's Debt Payoff Planner. Managing and paying debt or paying off debt can feel overwhelming, but Digit's Debt Payoff Planner makes it easier by helping you to create a personalized plan to reduce your debt more efficiently. Let me show you what to do. So first, open the Digit app and navigate to the Debt Payoff Planner section. Here you can input all of your outstanding debt, including credit cards, student loans, or just personal loans. Enter the balance, interest rates, and the minimum monthly payment for each debt. Once all debts are added, Digit analyzes your financial situation and suggests a payoff strategy. You can choose between methods like the avalanche method, which prioritizes paying off debt with the highest interest rates first, or you can use the snowball method, which focuses on the smallest debt to build momentum. Digit then calculates how much extra money that you can safely save each day to put towards your debt, adjusting for your regular expenses and income. It automatically transfers these extra funds to a separate savings goal dedicated to debt repayments. You can track your progress visually through graphs and updates, seeing exactly how your debts decrease over time and how much interest that you're saving. If your financial situation changes, Digit adapts your plan automatically, ensuring that you stay on track without added stress. Using Digit's Debt Payoff Planner helps you to stay organized, motivated, and consistent on your journey to becoming debt-free. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Digit tips and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. See you guys in the next one.